Now let's dive deep into this big LGBTQ story for today. I'm Bishop Darrell Watkins, and let's queer up the USA View. South Carolina judge's home burned down after ruling against Trump administration. A South Carolina judge's home was destroyed in a weekend fire just days after she reportedly received death threats for ruling against the Trump administration. Circuit Court Judge Diane Goodstein, 69, was walking her dogs Saturday morning when her Edisto Beach home caught fire. Her husband, former Democratic lawmaker Arnold Goodstein, 81, their son, and other guests were trapped inside and escaped by jumping from an upper floor into nearby marshes. 3 people were hospitalized, including Arnold, who was airlifted with serious injuries. Chief Justice John Kittredge described the incident as, quote, an apparent explosion, end quote, that led to a devastating blaze. Authorities are investigating whether the fire was accidental or arson. The fire follows threats made to Judge Goodstein after she ruled to block the release of 3.3 million South Carolina voters' personal data to federal officials. The Justice Department had sought the information to identify alleged undocumented voters. Her ruling was later overturned by the state Supreme Court. Judge Goodstein, first elected in 1998, has long been known for her independence. Law enforcement has increased patrols near her home as investigators determine the fire's cause. The incident is an ominous warning of what is happening to political and legal discourse in America. Well, first of all, I'm so glad that she did her part to block that.
Right.
The 3.3 million voters,
That's
so
ridiculous.
You can root out this. We've talked about on other shows about LGBTQ people being sort of targeted and demonized, and they're the monster under the bed. Right. Well, also so are immigrants now, right. And this idea that undocumented people are somehow a big threat. Usually, they're the ones paying super attention to the law so they don't get caught. Right. And who cares? They're working, they're paying taxes, they're buying things in the markets. Like, this idea that there's some kind of danger is ridiculous. We've got to find an easier way for them to get citizenship and green cards and whatnot, not punish them for existing. But this is a hate-filled administration right now, and there are various groups. Trans are on the list, queer people in general, and then trans people specifically, and then immigrants specifically. And now there's racial profiling. Right. You know, I didn't understand your accent. I think you may not be from here or whatever. Right. This is on the rise.